It's a new 2018 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. Equal parts suave and stout, this multitasking Silverado is a powerful personality. It comes nicely equipped with features you love: Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, OnStar remote link, manual tilting steering column, OnStar 4G LTE Wi-Fi hotspot, leather and metal look steering wheel, automatic transmission, active grille shutters, Rancho shocks, and power heated mirrors. Edmunds.com reports the Silverado pickup is just as adept at serving as the weekday family car as it is at transporting home improvement supplies or towing a boat on the weekends. There's more than a century of ingenuity and significance in every Chevy. Stop in for a test drive and make it yours today.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.